Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate ClickUp with Notion in a simple and super practical way. Now, ClickUp and Notion don't have a direct built-in integration, but the good thing is you can connect them really smoothly using tools like Zapier or Make. So let's walk through it step by step. First, make sure you're logged into both ClickUp and Notion. That way everything's ready to sync. Now, the idea here is to automate things like sending a Notion database entry into ClickUp as a task or updating Notion whenever a ClickUp task changes. This is great if you're using Notion for planning and ClickUp for execution. So let's start with Zapier. Open Zapier and search for ClickUp. Choose a trigger like New Task. Then for the Action app, search for Notion. Zapier will ask you to connect your Notion workspace, and once you do that, you can pick the database you want to send info to. From there, you just map fields like task name, description, due date, or status. It's honestly pretty quick. Now, if you want the opposite direction, meaning you want something in Notion to create a ClickUp task, just flip it. Make your trigger New Database Item in Notion, then set the action to ClickUp and choose Create Task. This is really helpful if your team does planning or content ideas inside Notion and then moves the execution into ClickUp. And if you prefer Make.com, the process is kind of similar. You create a scenario, choose Notion as the trigger, then add ClickUp as the module. Make gives you more customization if you need advanced workflows like syncing multiple properties or updating tasks automatically. One more thing, you can also integrate the two using ClickUp's API and Notion's API if you're more technical. That lets you build a fully custom bridge between both platforms, but for most people, Zapier or Make is more than enough. And that's pretty much how you integrate ClickUp with Notion. Once you set it up, your work moves between the two apps automatically, so you don't have to copy and paste or switch tabs all day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more easy ClickUp and Notion guides.